Hey, kindergarten, today is Friday. It is May 22nd, and it is time for our sound work. All right, let's go ahead and start. Our rhyme this week is unch. So thinking of words that end in unch, like lunch, one of my favorite times a day. Think if you can think of any more. Unch, lunch, hunch, punch, bunch, crunch. Nice job. Let's do our beginning sounds. I say the word, you say the word. We say the first sound together. Here we go. Mother, mother. Thoughtful, thoughtful. Shadow, shadow. Within, within. Chosen, chosen. Polish, polish. Nice job. Say the sounds. Blend them together. This is our best skill for reading new words. Here we go. Desk, desk. Old, gold. Mask, mask. Those, those. Cheeks, cheeks. At, that. Teeth, teeth. Waist, waist. Risk, risk. Host, host. Excellent. Punch it out. Last sound. Here we go. Mouth, mouth, mouth. Last sound. Polish, polish, polish. Fifth, fifth, fifth. Cloth, cloth, cloth. Watch, watch, watch. Good job on your last sound. All right, get your choppers out. Let's break these words apart. Ready? Those, those, those. Chop, chop, chop. Throw, throw, throw. Went, went, went. Crash, crash, crash. Third, third, third. Best, best, best. Then, then. Shape, shape, shape. Such, such, such. Nice job. All right, I'm going to give you the rhyme. We're going to add on an onset, and we'll see what the new word is. Here we go. Arp, arp, add sharp. O's, O's, add chose. Ave, add shave. Row, add throw. Orn, add thorn. Nice job. Now we're going to take off the beginning sound of the onset and see what's left. Chart, without is art. Shoulder without is older. Shine without is ein. These without is ease. Shade without is aid. Nice job. Let's change that beginning sound. This is probably one of the hardest things. All right, here we go. Flake, change full to shake. Plain, change pull to chain. Glove, change gull to shove. Clay, change cool to they. Spark, change sp to shark. Good job. All right, let's do our letters and sounds, and then we'll do our nursery rhyme. Last day. All right, here we go. Letter I, sound I. Second sound I. Letter Z, sound Z. Letter N, sound N. Letter J, sound J, J, J. Letter V, sound V. Letter H, sound H, H, H. Letter Q, sound Qu, Qu, Qu. Letters SH, sound sh. Letter U, sound second sound U. Letter F, sound f. Letter P, sound p, p, p. Letters TH, sound f. Letter M, sound m. Letter R, sound r. Letter E, sound second sound E. Letter T, sound t, t, t. Letters CH, sound ch, ch, ch. Letter S, sound s. Letter A, sound second sound A. Letter O, sound second sound O. Letter K, sound k, k, k. Letter Y, sound y, y, y. Can also say E or I. Letter D, sound d, d, d. Letters WH, sound wh, wh, wh. Letter X, sound x. At the beginning of a word, I might say z. Letter G, sound g, g, g. Second sound j, j, j. Letter B, sound b, b, b. Letter W, sound w, w, w. Letter L, sound l. Letter C, sound k, k, k. Second sound s. All right, let's take a look at our poem for the last day with Starlight, Star Bright. Here we go. Starlight, star bright. Starlight, star bright. The first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. Let's try again. Pointer fingers ready and read. Starlight, star bright. Here we go. Starlight, star bright. The first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. Maybe